Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be doing something unique. I'm going to be showing you the practicality of the solar shed. So I had some reclaimed wood that I'd had laying around the yard, and I built a coffee table. And I used tools that were solely powered by my solar shed, whether it's a miter saw directly plugged into the inverter, or whether it's my wireless tools that have been charged with the charger plugged directly into the inverter. So over the next 2 or 3 minutes, I hope that you enjoy watching me build this coffee table. Thanks, we'll talk to you next time.